Conversation has run out of time. Honey, I know you know what I mean, and that's the one thing that you soon will find. I know that you really wanna go, my mind is running out of gas. Just relax and recap and relapse in that. My body's jumping and I go through the motions, and I'm leaving on this journey. Maybe someday I'll come running home to you. I don't wanna see the day my words gonna make it safe. It's too bad, no regrets. I don't wanna see the day tears are falling on my grave. That's it, my one chance to take back, no regrets. Let's go, I just wanna let you know this situation leaves me out of breath. We'll try till the love that's in your eyes all through the ground unravels like a thread.